Hi, this is Katie and thank you for joining us in Bangkok. Today we are heading to Best Beef. It is a really popular restaurant here in Phra Kanong and I'm super excited because it's just served more than beef. So this restaurant gets really busy really quickly, so we're going to head here early and I can't wait to tuck in. It's actually not that far from the On-Up BTS station. It's just like a 6-minute walk from there. It gets really busy here, so if you're going to come, make sure you get here early or come on a weekday. Okay guys, so we're at Best Beef now. We've ordered some food. It looks pretty good. We've ordered like a selection of meat, a few bits of like pork and beef and lots of seafood because we love seafood. It's the best thing ever. I'm super excited to try it. I'm going to tuck in. We've just been given like a charcoal pot with like a pan on the top, so we're going to get cooking. Okay, so at this place they have these amazing prawns, they're river prawns, and they look amazing, they're absolutely massive, but I'm just looking forward to trying them. Prawns are amazing. I will say, having prawns in Thailand, like the food here in general, like the food in this restaurant's really fresh, but every time we have prawns and we have different types of seafood here in Bangkok, it always tastes amazing. I absolutely love having seafood here. Something that's really good here as well is that halfway through your meal, when you have used your like skillet thing, they come over and give you a fresh one, so you don't have to worry. Like we were talking about how if someone had like an allergy to seafood or anything, it doesn't really matter because they can come over and change it. You can actually also like request for extra ones. I've noticed there's a few other tables that have got more than one, so it's really nice. It's a really nice kind of chilled out, relaxed atmosphere here. I'm really enjoying our evening. Okay guys, so we have ordered, we had some prawns that we had left over from all of our seafood, and we ordered a barbecue grill, so you can get different types of ways to grill. Generally they'll give you a skillet, but this time around we decided to ask for a grill to see if we can get some like grilled prawns. It's actually a little bit more difficult to cook these than we thought they would be, so we're cooking them on the edge, but they go quite dark quite quickly, so I'm looking forward to trying them. It's a different way to cook, and you can also get like a pot, so if you want to make like a soup or a broth, you can also make that as well. So that is our time here at Bestie. The food here is amazing, it is so fresh, it's such a good place to go if you want good value food and to try a selection of seafood and meat. It was delicious. I will definitely be heading back here. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you do, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, also hit that notification bell if you want to see some more Bangkok videos. Until next time, bye!